TechEmpire presents the top 5 best aquarium filters in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 1, Fluval High Performance Aquarium Filter. Fluval FX6 is a high-performance canister filter with many outstanding features designed to make aquarium fish keeping easier and more convenient than ever. This super-capacity yet compact canister filter has a pump output of 925 gallons of water and has a filter circulation of 563 GPH, which both work to produce cleaner and healthier results. Filtering material can easily be placed in a removable stack of media baskets, which is at the heart of Fluval's multistage filtration. The baskets are precision engineered to eliminate water bypass, making filtration more efficient. The baskets can hold a total of 1.5 gallons of media and can be stacked in the precise combination of layers that will work best for your aquarium. Each one is lined with a foam insert for effective mechanical pre-filtering. Instant release T-handles let you lift and separate the baskets quickly and easily, making routine maintenance simple. FX6 also features smart pump technology, which provides optimum filter performance. This advanced technological feature employs an electronic circuit board that continuously monitors the pump. Impeller speed and force are constantly measured to ensure power output and energy efficiency. It also manages the filter's self-starting feature and evacuates air that may enter or build up within the filtration system. On a 12-hour cycle, the pump will pause and allow trapped air to escape, ensuring the best filtration efficiency. Only 21-inch in height, FX6 fits under most aquariums. Fluval first broke onto the aquatic scene in 1975 by introducing the world's first 3-stage filter with synchronous motor technology. Since then, Fluval has built a legacy around this pioneering spirit, relentlessly adapting in a changing world to launch innovative aquarium products. Fluval's mission is not just about building products that mimic the natural world, but inspiring aquarists of all skill levels to enjoy and respect the hobby for generations to come. Number 2. Marineland Magniflow Canister Filter. Marineland brand is the world's leading brand of innovative equipment and environments for consumers wishing to create the ultimate aquatic showcase. Committed to fish keeping success for over 40 years, the brand is the professional's choice for commercial display systems and scientific research. Whatever you're passionate about, freshwater or saltwater, big or small, beauty or science, make your aquarium your own. The Marineland Magniflow 360 canister filter makes multi-stage filtration in your freshwater or saltwater aquarium faster and easier than ever. This powerfully designed filter offers a top-sealing gasket for a strong seal with an easy-to-remove lid for access to media baskets. Just lift up for easy removal. Stack and flow filter trays force water through, not around, media layers for total mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration. A quick prime button fills the filter chamber with water for self-priming startup, while a quick-release valve block shuts down water flow immediately and separates from the motor housing for quick, spill-free filter maintenance. Available in 4 sizes: 160 GPH for aquariums up to 30 gallons, 220 GPH for aquariums up to 55 gallons, and 360 GPH for aquariums up to 100 gallons. Clean, sparkling water is the mark of a healthy, thriving aquarium. The amount of filtration needed to maintain an aquarium depends on a number of variables. These include tank size, individual maintenance habits, and fish population. Whatever your individual needs, Marineland brand has the filtration products you need to deliver on target: advanced filtration. Number 3. OASE Indoor Aquatics Biomaster. The Biomaster line of premium external filters are perfect for marine and freshwater aquariums. The Biomaster 250 boasts 4-stage filtration in a compact design. Biological, mechanical, chemical, and pre-filtration all work together to provide your aquarium with optimal water quality and clarity. The Biomaster filters are designed with sealed filtration pathways to ensure water flow is getting the full benefits of pre-filtration. Filter media for clearer water. Helix biomedia provide a large suspended settlement surface for microorganisms and activated carbon for ideal nutrient reduction and removal of toxins. The Easy Clean pre-filter module can be removed and cleaned separately from the rest of the filter for high efficiency and to extend the life of your filter. The water flow can easily be adjusted on both the inlet and outlet adapters for the filter. created for convenient placement under the aquarium. Install the included diffuser and spray bar for uniform surface movement and additional dissolved oxygen for ideal water quality. This filter also features an handle for simple moving and maintenance. This energy-efficient design includes a self-priming function for easy operation on startup and after cleaning. Includes a shut-off automation with built-in check valve to prevent leakage when cleaning the filter. Designed using German engineering and manufactured in Italy, this quiet operating filter is supported by an included 3-year warranty with a free 1-year warranty extension with online product to customize your pre-filter by combining coarse, fine, ultra-fine, and activated carbon filter foams. Number 4. CNZ HW704B525 GPH Canister Filter. This CNZ 4+1 filtration system is ideal for fresh and saltwater aquariums up to 150 gal. The integrated 9-watt sterilizer helps keep your aquarium healthy and crystal clear. The HW704B defies its low price because it comes equipped not only with a built-in sterilizer, but all the necessary plumbing for installation, and includes 4 large filtration media compartments allowing you to add the filtration media of your choice. The filtration media trays offer a fully customizable filtration system to suit your specific aquatic needs. The HW704B includes 4 fine filter pads, white, and a single coarse filter sponge, blue, for enhanced mechanical filtration. With the addition of premium activated carbon, ceramic rings, or bioballs, you'll achieve superior filtration and crystal clear aquarium water. The HW704B canister filter has a convenient prime pump that eliminates the need for manual siphoning. Say goodbye to a mouth full of aquarium water. Number 5. Aqueon QuietFlow Canister Filter. Aqueon QuietFlow canister filters comes with large media baskets, preloaded with media for all 3 stages of filtration: foam pads, mechanical, carbon, chemical, bioballs and bioceramic rings, biological. Designed for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums, the filter media can be arranged to fit any aquarium. Each filter comes with different return fixtures to choose from: traditional water director, spray bar, and a unique hang-on-the-back polishing unit. The polishing unit allows for the use of one large Aqueon filter cartridge to filter the water on final time before entering the aquarium. The cartridge is quick and easy, taking just a moment to do. With 3 different size filters for aquariums up to 155 gallons, Aqueon QuietFlow canister filters were developed by fish enthusiasts to satisfy the needs of fellow hobbyists and their fish tank needs.